June. で、明日は普通の定時で、定時終わったらの仕事が、アルバイトがあります。で、その次もある。今度は働いてるね。やばい時間早いね。あなたも仕事ですか？ゆうたんも仕事ですか？みんな何年生かな？みんな休みかな？ポテトと揚げたて美味しいね。この太陽は本当にとっても眩しいでさ、シワが出てる。太陽で眩しいとさ、あと寝てないとさ、目が眩しいでしょ。やばい、今日いい天気だ。早いね、時間。時間早いよ。ね、すいません、皆さん。Happy December! It's last month of year of 2024. And what's the new for 2025? Are you waiting for the new? And yes, me too also because I'm still learning for myself even it's 2024 and maybe next year I will be learning much more that. And just wait. Be careful. Be careful. There's a car, a lot of cars here. I'm here inside at the company na. I'm here. What time now? The time is 11:21. The time is 11:21. The time is so running so fast. And if you don't mind, guys, I will use my anime. It's like an anime. Yes, I'm just arrived here at my parking lot. At the parking lot. I'm here. No, this is not my place. It will be there. What happened to me? No, this is not my place. I need to go to my parking number because it will be. Ooh, Chanto, Jubono Bango Kakimita Nanune. Jubono Bango Tomero Basho. Inatiru Kara. そこで止めないと怒られるよ。注意されちゃう。だから、okay. Okay, I'm here. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will use the wine. Where is the wine? I cannot find the